Hi, this is Mrs. Coro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw out the 10 boxes on your watercolor paper so that you can have those areas to practice the different watercolor techniques. So you're going to need a 15 by 11 inch, no I lied, I'm sorry. Yeah, a 15 inch by 11 inch piece of watercolor paper, a ruler, and a pencil with an eraser in case you make mistakes. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to try to get 5 boxes across at the top and another row of 5 across at the bottom. So we're going to start measuring off from the left side of our paper, and we're going to measure off every 3 inches at the top, and we're going to scooch down, and we're going to measure every 3 inches from the bottom. So we're taking our ruler. Okay, I'm just going to find the number 3. Okay, what you can do now, if you need to, you can keep sliding it across that way. Or if you know how to count by 3s, you can just count off 3, then 6, 9, 12, and then of course 15 is already done for you. And right down here at the bottom, 3, 6, 9, 12. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect those marks and get 4 different lines vertically. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So now what we need to do is we're going to find the halfway mark coming down, and we're going to make a horizontal line halfway. So I said that this was 11 across, so we're going to be looking for 5 1/2. Okay. Notice I turned my paper vertically like this, put my ruler over here to the left side, and I'm going to find the 5 1/2 mark, which is right between the 5 and the 6. Got it there. I'm going to come back down here and find the 5 1/2 right down here. Okay, and then I'm going to connect those, and we are going to see. All right, that gives us 5 different boxes. Now, from here, what we're going to do is we're going to label each box a different technique. All right, so that way these will be kind of like notes for you. You'll have these, and you'll know what technique which each technique is, because we'll have them labeled. Okay, so the first one that we're going to do over here is just a basic wash. So you can use a Sharpie pen for this. I'm just going to use my pencil, and so you're just going to write the word wash in that one. Okay, the second one we're going to do is called a gradient, and it's actually going to be a gradient wash. So if you have room to write the word wash next to that, you can do that. And over here we've got a blend or a blended wash. Okay. Next we're going to have the technique wet on wet, and then wet on dry. Okay. All right. Down at the bottom, excuse me, rubbing alcohol. Okay, then next, this one is going to be sponge or paper towel. Okay. Here we have crayon resist. Here we have the salt technique. And last, we have something called Frisket. Okay, so once you have everything labeled, don't forget to turn it over on the back. Put your first and last name down here at the bottom right hand corner, and as always, your class period. Very important.